Dear friends, welcome to my Sinking Angler channel. My name is Oleg and today I'm going to fish for coarse fish. Oh, it's a small creek coming. So I'm going to fish for coarse fish such as roach, chub, bleak and maybe rat, bream before spawning, because now it's a great time, it's the best time for fishing with float, for fishing with feeder. So let's start. So friends, this is the best spot for spring, summer and early autumn, because fish is gathered here in this pole round, just round here behind this current, because this water brings lots and lots of food. But in the winter fish prefer to be in still water because they have less power and their metabolism is slower, much slower. So it looks like today is really quite warm day after many cold mornings, and I can have only one shirt. For fishing I will use the 20 feet rod with 5 pounds line, small hook and 2 maggots. No feeding, nothing. Just searching for fish, a blind search for fish. Here's a fish, roach, nice roach, no, not a roach, yeah it is, nice, good fish, okay. Beautiful, beautiful little roach. Okay, beautiful fish. For the spring it's nice fish. Not big, but anyway, without feeding. Release. Okay, here's something bigger. Looks like a chub. Yeah, it's chub, not a roach. You see, without any feeding, just such a nice fish came on my hook. Nice little chub. Beautiful. So when it comes to roach, now it's just a spawning season or before spawning season, and the best bait for roach is of course maggots. You know, to tell you the truth, I really don't like them because they're smelly and stinky stuff. Anyway, they work very well. Okay, something nice. Ho ho! Look at that. Something bigger. Look at that. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is a roach. Look at this fish. Just look at that fish. Oh, yeah, this is a roach. This is a nice fish, finally. Nice roach, indeed. Okay, I changed my spot a little bit more downstream and the rod is much shorter, it's just 11 feet broad. Oh my god, look at that. It's a roach again. It's a little roach. I'm disappointed. I just wanted to catch a bleak, but they caught a roach. Okay, once more. It's unbelievable how many fishes here. Oh, 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 look at that. Just, wow, wow, what is that? This is a nice fish. There's roach. Again, one more nice roach. It looks like I'm not going to catch any bleaks today. There's a lot of big fish here in this river, especially now before spawning. They are gathered here. How many there are? I just leave this spot because there's too many fish. Search for less. I just want to relieve stress and fish somewhere where fish doesn't really cooperate. So this spot I visited in my previous movie, so feel free and check this out. It's very noisy spot because it's a big waterfall around here. Over there, that's beautiful. So I just see my little friend from the last time. Look at him. Wait a second, wait. Hop. Okay. I'll give you a little bit more. Hey. Wait. Over here. Hop. He's so hungry. It's unbelievable. He ate my corn and my fish food. So friends, thank you for watching. I think I got lots of fish for today, enough. And the next time I will show you feeder fishing on the river or in the lake. Maybe it will be for carp or for bream. So in 4 or 5 days, see you again. Bye.